Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK26, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz from a transmitting antenna atop television station KBTV Channel 13 in Laredo. NOAA Weather Radio is on the air 24 hours a day, broadcasting warnings, watches, and related statements for the Rio Grande Plains. A weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio tone alert is normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, if no severe weather is in the area, for the following counties: Wetlands of Plata. At 3:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Thompsonville, or 19 miles west of Hebronville, moving northwest at 35 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-sized hail are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Oilton, Ranquitos, Las Lomas, Mirando City, Aguilars, and Bruni. This includes U.S. Highway 59 between mile markers 792 and 818. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. At 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Artesia Wells, or 10 miles north of Encinal, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Encinal, Artesia Wells, Fort Ewell Site, and Chaparral Wildlife Management Area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 37 and 65. U.S. Highway 83 near mile marker 680. In outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Here are the 4 p.m. South Texas weather observations.
I was not expecting that second statement.
At Laredo, mostly sunny. Temperature 90.